Question number 9 says if f of x equals 5x and g of x equals minus 2x plus 1 and h of x equals x squared plus 6x plus 8, find each value. The first value is g of h of 3. So I have to plug in 3 to the h function first. Here's the h function. I'll put 3 in everywhere I see x. 3 squared, hold on, 3 squared, I didn't have a pen, plus 6 times 3, I'm just plugging in 3 for x, plus 8 equals 3 squared is 9, 6 times 3 is 18, plus 8, 27 and 8 is 35. So that's 35. Now I plug that 35, that's h of 3, I plug that into the g function. G of 35, so you work from the inside out, or from the right to the left, equals, well, the g function says negative 2 times 35 plus 1 equals 2 times 35 is 70 minus 70 plus 1 equals minus 69. Great, that answer is the same whether it's right side up or upside down. Perfect. And we've got it. So that is g of h of 3. Now the next one. It says, I was looking at this for a second. I thought that was the other question, but that's exactly the same. F of h of a plus 4. Well, start with the inside. I'm going to plug in a plus 4 everywhere I see x in the h of x function. So it's going to be a plus 4 squared. This is h of a plus 4. I'm just plugging in a plus 4 for x. A plus 4 squared plus 6 times a plus 4 plus 8. All right, what's a plus 4 squared? Well, let me write it like this. Maybe that'll make it easier. Then FOIL. A times a is a squared. Outside, a times 4 is 4a. Inside, 4a. 4a plus 4a is 8a. And then last times last. FOIL. F-O-I-L. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus, distribute, 6a. Plus, 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 8. Now, I will add like terms. A squared, there's only a squared. 8a plus 6a is 14a. 16 plus 24 plus 8 is 48. 6 and 8. Yes, 48. Now, I've done the inside part. I've done h of a plus 4. And that is a squared plus 14a plus 48. Now I need to do f of that. So I'm going to do f of a squared plus 14a plus 48. That means wherever I see x in the f equation, I'm going to plug in a squared plus 14a plus 48. Well, it's 5 times x. So 5 times a squared plus 14a plus 48. And I think I'm going to need just a little bit more room. Let me see if I can figure out how to get more room like that. Hold on, you have to cooperate with me, whiteboard. So I'm just going to, once again, distribute. 5 times a squared is 5a squared. 5 times 14a is 70a. Plus 48, 5 times 48 is 240. So that's the answer. I go from the inside out. I did a plus 4, plugged it in for x in the h function. Then whatever that result was, which was this, a squared plus 14a plus 48, plugged it in for x in the f equation. So inside out. And that was 5 times x. 5 times a squared plus 14a plus 48, which equals 5a squared plus 70a plus 240. I was just double checking that last one. So that's it for that one.